Hello students, welcome to Solve via Knowledge. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 10th standard mathsல exercise 1.3ல third sum. Given the function f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Evaluate f of minus 1. So first subdivision பண்ணலாம். f of minus 1 is equal to இங்கே minus 1 substitute பண்ணுறோம் அவ்வளோதான். minus 1 square plus minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. So that is minus 1 square 1 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 then plus 6. So 1 plus 5 plus 6 12. So f of minus 1 12. Second subdivision f of 2a அதாவது 2a the whole square minus 5 into 2a plus 6, that is 4a square minus 10a plus 6. Third one f of 2 அதாவது 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, that is 4 minus 10 plus 6, that is 0. Fourth subdivision f of x minus 1, that is x minus 1 the whole square minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6, that is equal to x minus 1 the whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1 இதை உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம் minus 5x plus 5 plus 6. So that is x square minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x 5 plus 6 plus 1 12 plus 12.